It's important to home Raphael regularly to ensure proper registration. Before homing Raphael with boards loaded, check the safe height. This is to make sure that the brush on Raphael won't crash into any parts of the board while it's homing. 57 millimeters is a good safe height for this board. Now home the brush. To home, click Utilities and select Home, or press Ctrl H. To set the origin for registration, go to the board view and highlight the first board in red. Look for the yellow square. The yellow square shows the position of Raphael's brush in the home position, 0, 0. Using the joystick, move the brush directly above the top left corner of the first board. For extra precision, replace the brush with the needle and fine-tune the position. Notice how the brush, identified by the yellow square, is not yet touching the board on Raphael's envelope. To correct this, right-click on the board and choose Move to Robot. The yellow square and the brush on Raphael are now in the same location, the top left corner of the first board. The origin is now set and Raphael's registration is complete.